You see, the whole of this place has to be cleared before 5 o'clock. I'm making use of this land. All of you must put effort to ensure that this thing is cleared. I have it for 4 years. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Now, do something.
Okay, Bo. Come here. Come here.
Huh? You are back.
I'm not back. What's going on here?
It's concerning the agreement you sent your son to me about.
Are you out of your mind? My son, for what?
Papa, you sent your son to me. Didn't you send him?
You must be out of your mind. Why should I send him to you? For what?
For the 200,000 naira you asked me to give to you so that I can farm on this land for 4 good years. Hey!
My friend, you are mad. Why should I send my son to you? Listen to me. Whatever agreement or arrangement you have with my son has nothing to do with me or this property.
Wonderful. So you had to see your son is a rogue. Tatabara, you came to me some time ago and I refused. But now
I say I did not send my son to you, neither did I send anybody to you. You hear me? Now get out of this place.
But now, Bara, this is a business negotiation.
Business what?
Negotiation.
With teacher in your mouth, you are talking to me, idiot. Listen, you better leave here now. Or what? Whatever you see, you take. Hey, idiots, do you have parents?
Yes, yes.
Go back to them. Because hey, let me go and come back if you are still here. Leave here now. Collect 200,000 naira from me. Don't leave here now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Dossier, semicolon. Dossier. Ah! Come on. The smartest you've learned at your age. I had sat down to learn it.
I thought you were coming back in 3 weeks' time.
Thank you very much. So that you have the opportunity to sell off my only remaining farmland. For what, Dozebiko, for what?
No, Papa just understand me.
Why didn't? My friend, I'm disappointed in you. I want to realize. I traveled for only a few days. I had made arrangements to sell my land. For what?
Papa,
Shut up!
Papa, I need the money.
Hey, you want to do something?
Something big, Papa.
Something big.
You understand?
Something big. That's very good. You wanted to use 200,000 naira for something big. For what?
Papa, ever since I finished serving my organ in Port Harcourt, there's no money to start a business.
And that's why the man drove you away. Shut up, idiot. Look at this semicolon. Your brother Nnamdi sold one of my 2 lands and ran away with the money. But for you, do me a favor, my dear. Go to my inner room. Bring a digger and a shovel. Come. I have enough land here. Go and dig your grave because I swear, I will bury you alive ever before you even succeed. Ha! All right. Wait, come here. Don't go to Baja. Come. Where's the money? 200,000. Where's the money?
Papa, I just want to.
Wait. I'll suppose I can bring this back. What I clear, boop. Hey! Ekete metwe. Egududu metwe. Oh! Dozier, what is this?
Papa.
How? Mama? All right. Take this money now and go back to Okibo. He's the owner of the money. Take. Wait. Stay.
Papa, just understand.
No, what did you come in now? Which?
No, Papa.
When your mother was alive, she was a witch. I'm a man. I'm a wizard because I caught you. A witch is never above 3 feet. I am 5'11". You hear me? I'm going back to Okigbo, the source of this money by myself. Don't spoil my name in this community. Listen inside. A witch is never above 2 feet. I cannot be a witch at 5'6". Idiot.
Papa, I have something to do.
Ta! When I married the mother, she never confessed to me that she was going to have tumbe. Tumbe Gudu.
Quite excuse.
Please, we are looking for Kenny's house.
Who?
Kenny's house.
Kenny?
Yes.
Oh, Kenny.
Yes.
See that White House, eh? There's a road by the left. Just take that road. There's a tree there. In front of the tree, there's a house opposite it. That's Kenny's house.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey!
After the White House.
What all these girls? What are they doing with Kenny? Why are they looking for Kenny?
Well, I don't know. Maybe they are Kenny's girlfriends. You know Kenny's a big guy now.
Big guy for what? What about me? You do you know what I'm going to do in this village by the time my brother comes back from Europe?
Okay, forget that one. I know what you can do. But let me tell you, Kenny is a larger boy.
Look, let me tell you. If I don't organize one of the biggest bash in this village with all the stars in this country in attendance, I'll commit suicide.
Okay, forget grammar. We'll follow those girls. I know where they're going to. I know what's happening in Kenny's house.
I will just want to do this. I'm warning you. My friend. You see, George, you can't hear his father. Come on, do it for 100.
Papa, you do it.
I will not do it.
Papa, you must do it.
I say I will not do it.
Papa, you must do it.
Read my lips. I will not do it.
Papa, all I'm saying is just divide your properties. Give me my own share. Let me decide what to do with it. That's all.
And what do you think you can do with it?
Haven't I finished learning a trade like you suggested? 4 years. Just 4 good years.
4 years. 4 years of fighting with your masters. 4 years of changing masters from Kaduna to Sokoto to Lagos. 4 years of police problems. And all that, mind yourself to want.
Papa, leave those people. Those people have no foresight. They lack vision.
Okay.
All I did was to try and expand their business and they call me criminal.
Okay. Did they give you permission to tamper with their money?
I have something upstairs.
Hey! Did they give you permission to tamper with their money, Ocho? Look, this boy, be very careful. Be very careful.
Papa, my life is wasting in this village. Look at me. All my mates are in the city building houses, expanding their business. Just imagine me.
All right. Even if you had the opportunity and the money to build a house, would you build a mini underground basement, small one like this, or upstairs? Number 2, all fingers are not equal. You can't eat your cake and have it back. Your brother Nandi took my money and vamoosed. It's now 7 years I have not set my eyes on him. You see, I cannot do anything until I clear this mess that you put me into. This mess with Okigbo. Apart from that, even because of the nonsense you and your brothers are doing to me, that's why I came back here.
Will we remain here until we invest on what we have for us to move on?
My dear, even if I decide stupidly to invest all I have in my life here for you people, you think I'll do it with you? You are dreaming by 10 minutes past 12 noon. I will cut you into pieces.
I've been wasting my time in the village here. This man refused to settle me. My mates are in the city riding cars. This man refused to settle me. Want me to end up in the city? Oh, no. I must burn that this house. Cannot happen. What's going this house today? No, I'm burning this house. I'm burning this house. What's happening? What's going on? Go in and take it. Now. I don't understand. What? I am burning this house now. This is crazy. Is Papa aware of this? That old man that called himself our father refused to settle me. Simply to use the remaining piece of land to raise money for my business, refused. Why? But why do you want to burn down the only house we have in the village? Why? Yes, because he refused to relocate to the city with us. Then if I burn down the house, he will be forced to go to the city. Stay here now. What is wrong with you? Come. Why not wait? I've told you this thing several times. We should wait till next year. For what to happen next year? Wait for what? You know now, brother Namdi, from what I'm seeing, it's like brother Namdi will be coming back home this Christmas. Then are you dreaming? Nanda has not been back for 7 years. He's coming back. Steve. 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 You know what, Steve? He told me that his brother will be coming back home this Christmas. I remember that both of them live at the same place. That means they might as well come back home at the same time this Christmas. So chill, bro. Chill down, cool down. You know Kenny now. Kenny is organizing a big party. So why not go and chill out? Let me see. I'm not interested in any party now. That is not my concern. We can go. Okay, now cool. Let me arrange myself.
Hey, don't see my papa like I'm kidding. Hey! Come there. Huh? Where are your invitation cards? For you. People go. Tell my car. They call me because of the party.
I don't suffer. Hey, Chineke, Amuda. Imagine that idiot. Imagine the insult. Imagine the disgrace he gave to me just because I went to his house for a party. God, Amuda. Come on, Eke, is that the only thing I can think of? Party this, party that. Can't you just be reasonable for once? Nah, but babe, party aside, But if you see the babes, if you see the chicks that attended our bars, hey, well, these one are orange drugs babes. Hey, Chineke, look at yourself, just look at us. How old do you think we are? Very soon now, all our men will be having children and building families, establishing many things while we are still here in the village, doing nothing. You know your problem? Your problem is that you are over-ambitious. You want to become a chief executive officer when you know you cannot achieve it. It will work, Eke. It will work if you plan well. Just get your mind off this party, good time. Think for once. Okay. Now that your plans of selling off that farm and probably run away with the money has failed, what is your next line of action? Okay. Papa will not give me any money I ask. I have to get out of this village and start a business. I'm afraid you don't go about catching people today and set them up. If that's the only solution, I will. Okay. No problem. Just that my advice to you is just take it easy. Take it easy before you develop high blood pressure. But Nado, Steve and I are planning to organize a very big bash. Very big bash for this villa. Shame on you. The only thing I think of is party this, party that, good times all over. Just be responsible for once. 1 second is okay for me. I beg. Look at this one. That should be responsible. Nigga S like me, nigga S3. Okay, no problem. I can't go away. Buy me, promotion and escalate so that I have to be responsible. Nigga S1, nigga S1. I'm a hustler. I'm a hustler. Hey, no.
Look, I don't like this. I don't like this idea. We'll be here for a very long time now. Now, what's keeping those?
Cool down, Steve-O. You will soon be here.
We'll be here. What do you mean by we'll be here? We'll be here for over 2 hours now.
Look at him now. You're making noise, my friend. Shut up. Hurry now. Okay. Steve, I'm sorry for delaying you.
We'll be here for over 2 hours now. What kept you?
Sorry, I'm discussing with Nsenwosu regarding the deal I invited you guys for. Nsenwosu, that dubious man.
Wait. By the way, what is this deal that involves Nsenwosu of all people?
That guy has foresight. People misunderstand him. See, this deal is capable of giving us millions. Huh?
Wait.
Yes, excuse. Millions. How? Listen, I will need both of you. The New Year festival is in the place and people are already coming home. Okay, I understand that. What it means that we design and arrange our own masquerade on that day.
Exactly. You have a foresight, okay?
You guys are funny. It's a man. That's not the deal.
Yeah.
Do you know the Work Bridge? The bridge is falling. Now the Igbo and elders in council have resolved that they collect levy and tax from everyone using that bridge in order to raise money to repair the bridge.
Wait, Jose, wait. But they've not started, and they've not chosen anyone yet. So how is it going to happen?
That's the deal. People don't know about it. Before they will do, we must have collected our own due. Come, Doze, are you out of your mind? That's criminal. I will be caught.
No, they will might cut out on the process.
Says who? By who? This Igwe is still in the hospital in the city. This is why they want to come in. People will think that he's so tempting. No! Cut me off. My answer is no. Steve-O, man, I don't the guy.
Dozie, true to God, I'm totally disappointed in you. How can you suggest something like that? How can you suggest something like that? I said, okay, wait for me.
This is the opportunity that will never come to you in your life.
How will you suggest something like that?
Take it.
How will you suggest something like that? I don't like that.
I can't believe that I'm going to say it.
See, let me tell you, true to God, okay. One day, Dozie will say this whole village. He's just over ambitious.
Oh, let's forget about him. Let's go see our babes. Amaka and Susan. No, man, it's been long I set my eyes on them.
Hey, that reminds me. I heard they attended this guy, Kenny's party.
No, it's a lie. Hey! It's a lie. That can... In fact, I'll set this entire village on fire. I'll kill them together.
Wait.
I can never do that now. You know,
Wait, before you kill yourself. Why?
Look, let me tell you, if that is true, from what you said, if that is actually true, I'll first of all ponder, I'll keep them and Kenny together. They can never attend such party. Look, I understand that Kenny can oppress. Kenny can oppress them. But that's my own Amakana. He can oppress your own babe, Susano, not my own Amaka. Ha!
See, let me tell you. Girls of these days, they are like rainbow. Chun. Oche Baba, don't put your mind there. They don't have a particular color.
But
don't kill yourself.
Forget about that. Let's go see them.
Susan, Kenny's party really rocked. Those guys, they feed them. They know how to get things done.
They tried. But is it still coming around today as a promise?
Of course he will. He always keep to his words.
No wonder you're just brushing up like this. Now what for you?
Susie, baby.
Susan and David.
Hi, Susie. Daddy.
What do you guys want this time?
You push your front seat now.
Can't you get it? I'm tired. Stop bothering my life. You guys should stop bothering me. I don't want again.
Amaka, relax. Just relax. Maybe their father sent them on an errand.
Oh,
Let's get them out.
Susie, you shouldn't say a thing like that. Wait. Sorry, babes. Relax. See, very soon, very soon, money will flow. People shouldn't underestimate us.
See, Amaka, let me tell you. You see, when this cash flows, when it comes, the kind of good time that we give to you people is unimaginable. Yes, people should just buckle up. Let's go out.
Go where?
See,
It's
alright. See, babes, relax. We have good intentions for you girls.
See, let me tell you. Let the good intention both of you have disappear from here. Because I'm expecting someone very important.
more important than myself.
Let's go.
I'm in love.
We missed you.
Mommy, let me assist you. Hey, that's my girl. Hey, Susie, what's up? Hi, is everything? Let's go. We're almost late. Oh, yeah, those small boys.
I don't know them. Let's go.
Let's go. Okay.
Steve-O.
Okay, what's the meaning of this?
No, I now realize what you told me, that women are like rainbow. I understand, but... no, you are. Steve-O. No, cool down.
Okay, our enemies at work again.
That's no enemy. Steve-O, choose here this day whom you will serve. Because as for me and myself, I will choose someone I'll go and find.
No, Heke, I'm suspecting that our enemies at work again. Susie! No problem, oh. Because of the money your father stole from the local government. Sure.
Who does that Kenny think he is? Fine.
But Eke, this cannot be happening. How can Kenny of yesterday, Kenny of yesterday oppress us with his party, and now his car over our girls?
So Kenny think he is the big boy of this village. Yes, he is mad. He thinks he is the big boy of this village, ignoring us.
Well, I don't blame him. I don't blame him at all. Maybe because of the little money his father stole from the local government. Hey. Oh, Eke. I wish we had little money. I wish.
Huh? Me too. If I have such money, the kind of party I will throw, I will make sure it swallows that of Kenny and his arrogance. But, come to think of it, we need to make pay.
Wait, Eke. To throw a party that can defeat the Kenny's? How?
Steve, all we need to do is just to go and meet Tosi. Tosi is the answer. Do you know what I like of that, my brother? That's brain. To tell you how to make money. Yes, that.
Eke, you're right. Eke, you're right. You know when you see Eke like this,
I'll do it. Just relax. Hold yourself. Whatever that happens, just say don't know. But you know, Papa is not the type of person who just tell anything and he believes you. How will you know? Just don't know. Don't know. Just don't know. But you know, Ukono was in that car and he knows Papa very well. Tell them it wasn't us. Just say it wasn't us. You understand? It wasn't us. You understand? You understand?
Dossier! Come, I saw you. Dossier, Eke! Eke! Dossier! Get back, I won't go. Dossier, Eke! Alright, Eke!
You see me? I'm not around.
Eke! Eke!
Papa!
Sure. Thank you very much. What did you go out to do? What did you and Dozie go out to do, my friend?
Papa, I don't know. I didn't do anything.
My God. So my family has become so poor that my children now roam around the streets as criminals. Huh?
I wasn't there.
How many times have I warned you? How many times have I warned you? Eh? To stop moving around with a Dozie. He will mislead you. He will misorient you. He will disorient you. You hear me? Are you deaf?
But I was on my own. No. I wasn't at the scene of the event.
Oh, so there was even a scene of event. Even if you are there, would you have agreed? Now go and tell that Dozie or whoever he is that if I catch him, look, he will regret ever being born. Now get out from here before I turn my back. Okay, idiot. His waist is being grown like that of a woman. This boy, this can be a plan. Baby, Eke! Tell, wait. Eke! Go here! Eke!
This is the house.
Yes, that's the house. And we'll always be there whenever you need us.
And that'll be every Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays until Digwe returns. We just came to make sure that you live here.
Okay, no problem. Like I promised, I will ensure it.
If he runs, we hold you responsible.
No problem. Officer, what do you want to do?
To set him free, of course.
No, officer. Please, why can't you leave this for at least 1 month?
No. That's government property. Thank you.
Come here. What do you think you're going to do? Listen to me very carefully. Cancel the idea of Gilbert taking you to London when he comes back. Cancel the idea of sleeping on your bed or even eating in this house. Yes, until I decide whether to disown you or not. Now move.
Will you stop seizing him? Stop seizing this idiot. Stop seizing. Look at you. Eh? Imagine. In fact, all the disgrace you have brought to this family, you received 100-fold.
Papa, what did I do? Why am I being treated this way?
Well,
what did I do?
You deserve to be treated worse than this. You my female, Igbo criminal.
Did I steal from you? Were you there?
Hey.
Did I rob you? Those is enough.
Leave him. Let him challenge me as he likes. He's a challenger. That was how you challenged all the masters that trained you. And up to today, not even one has agreed to settle you.
Who needs them? I don't need them. I'll be bigger than them. Whatever it is that they have, I will have it more than them.
Ezioko?
Yes.
By stealing from the entire village. Ocho. Steal from the entire village. Is that there, man? Eh? Look, I'm ashamed of you. If you're not ashamed of yourself. And people say that the thief is not ashamed as his brother till Digwe returns. A mother keke sanyang.
Oh, I'm not stealing from anyone.
Your name is Eke. You will not Eke is stealing am. Idiot.
My name is not Eke. My name is Tonzi. I'm not Eke. Eke is snake. I'm not Eke. Eke is snake. I'll go.
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you.
Gilbert. Gilbert, my son. So this is you.
It's me.
Wonderful big.
You're looking wonderful, Steve.
This is the happiest day in my life. It's like receiving a newborn baby.
You can say that again.
God, thank you. Steve, bia.
Can have this, eh?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Go and tell Opera, my brother, that my son Gilbert is back. Okay. Take those bags in.
I will tell him.
What's up? Gilbert. You're welcome.
My father said that you should come to our house right now before he opens and closes his eyes. Come here, Mfama. What is the matter? No, but Gilbert, my elder brother, just returned from overseas. Hey, yeah, Gilbert, the one with Nnamdi, my son, in Obodoibo. Bam! Hey, he's back. Go and tell your father from me that before he opens his eyes like this, I will be there. I will tell him that. Come and take one and drink. Oh, thank you, sir. Hey, we're waiting for you, sir. This is lovely. This is lovely. In fact, my brother, the day my son Nnamdi left was my saddest. I thought I would never set my eyes on him again. But looking at your son now, Gilbert, I have this feeling that one of these days I will still set my eyes on my lovely son with money plenty.
Opera, you are very greedy. Pray for his life and health first.
Nnamdi is doing very, very well.
We thank God, my God.
In fact, his Igbo wife is equally humble.
Chelo. Maybe it's again. His what?
His wife.
And with whose permission?
No, wait.
No, with whose permission?
Wait.
Wait.
Look, he must send that Oyibo woman away with immediate effect. Because this is not my culture now.
It's not my culture.
Listen, Papa, let me tell you, that is the easiest way to survive in Europe. Bam. The moment they know you are married, they begin to see you as somebody who is responsible.
Papa, yes, that is true. Papa, immediately I get there, that will be my first assignment. Sure.
Oh, we'll drop that thing. By the way, who invited you to this place?
Leave him, bro. You know, children of nowadays, just like Duzi, the same structure, the same behavior.
Papa, there's nothing there. It's just ordinary drink.
What is just an ordinary drink?
If not because
from this time, you go into cigarette smoking. From cigarette smoking, he goes into goof, Indian hemp. Before you know it, armed robbery.
Then after that, they start carrying women around the whole place of all shapes and sizes, different colors, black, green, yellow, montage. Then big ones, smaller ones, and magenta. Sorferino, idiot.
Papa, lest I forget, your son and I'm sending something for you.
Is it again?
Money, but I've not unpacked.
But it's with you, Jack?
Sure.
Chelumo, oh, 5 pounds.
No, it's more than that. It's more than that.
Hey! Come here. The 2 musketeers. Come here. Where are you coming from?
Papa, we are
Shut up! Did I ask you? That's how you go around gallivanting, talking like river birds. And that's why you go around spoiling this my young boy. Eh? That's number 1. What about if I would ask people to fetch for me, 2 of you?
But Papa, we have a new stove.
I don't want any of you near my new stove before you burn down my house.
Oh, Papa, it's easy and burns faster.
May you burn faster than that stove. I say I don't want any of you near my new stove. Do I have water in my mouth apart from this pame? Watch my drink. Are you watching on the drink? Go to Ikioma's house. He will give you something to bring for me. It is money. Oh. Money. He go. Don't allow me.
Jose, come on, let's go.
Okay. You, go away from in the house. He knows the route.
Oh, I don't want to let him discuss it. Okay, what did he tell you? He said I should go to Gibat's house. That Nnamdi gave Gibat something. That something is money. I should go and collect it.
That's the Nnamdi. How much is he going to send? If not, 1,000 naira for snuff.
Faster, faster! Man, we should leave home now.
But Papa, you should have been using this car all this while.
Oh. But I don't know ever since you left. Papa insisted that this car should be parked at Okereke's compound.
Shut up, you thief.
Papa, I'm not a thief. I'm not a thief. But you should warn Papa. He's always calling me a thief.
Wait. Steve, you're asking me to warn your father? But Papa, I know you can't drive. Steve would have been helping you out.
Oh. Don't say that again. That will be an opportunity for this boy to kill me as to inherit this car.
Wait, Papa. You mean Steve will kill you just to inherit a car?
He will do it. This boy, he will do it.
No, Papa, don't talk like that. Just don't talk like that. Just don't talk like that.
Abra's children, your father sent you.
I said we should come and collect something from Gilbert.
Okay, I remember. Don't worry. No, yeah, let me see. No problem. So how are you? I'm high there. Sure?
Hey, you. Wash that car, wash it well. That's what you have to do best.
Come in. Have a seat while I get a message for you.
Yes.
This is what he sent. It's $20,000 in there.
$20,000? That's great. I didn't know Nnamdi could send so much. But did he maybe send anything like jeans, t-shirts?
No, nothing like that. This is just all he sent.
Okay, can we have his address or phone number so that we can call him?
Why not? Sure. I'll get that in a moment.
Okay. $20,000! This is the beginning of riches.
Hey, come and wash here. Come and wash here.
But Papa, I've watched that place now.
You've watched what? Come and watch this place. Hey!
Papa, it's okay.
Gilbert, it is not enough. This boy don't know how to wash a car.
At least he has tried.
But look at this car now. It's not clean enough.
Wash this car.
Papa, now tell me, what is Chinedu?
Can you imagine after washing the car, the tires are still touching the ground?
But Papa, what do you expect? This is the hinterland.
After washing, you should hang it.
Okay, instead of that, let me go and get another rag.
Yes, go and get it. Go and get another rag.
Leave that in. Please keep this money away from Papa. He doesn't have to know. First of all, Papa will run mad. Nothing will happen. You won't know. Trust me. Think about it.
Okay, let me ask you now. What will you tell him? Are we going to tell him that armed robbers attacked us and collected the money? And then you expect him to believe us like that?
Hey kid, this is our opportunity to leave the village, go to the city and start a new life. I have a good idea. We'll change all the money with the monopoly money so that Papa will know the difference. That's all. Think about it.
Whoa, you're a criminal.
It will work. Easy there, you're beginning to understand me. Let's meet Steve right away so that he'll bring the money his brother said.
No.
If you go there now, the brother will suspect.
He will suspect?
Yes.
Okay.
Just wait for me at the completed building. That's all.
Yeah, I'm beginning to see what I'm seeing heaven. Yes, I can see heaven. With this morning, I arrange my.
What is with this guy now?
I don't understand, man. Huh? And Papa will be worried. Look at the time. You should go. I don't want any to happen. I don't understand. And Papa will be worried. Look at the idiots. I'm a boy, the fuck up.
What if they happen? Lami. Oh yeah, settle me fast.
Let's not forget. I hope your brother's car is still in order.
Why they talk like this? That's the phone. They happen.
Very early. Please, we are leaving very early tomorrow morning.
No shaking. Nami.
Are you sure?
No shaking.
Tomorrow morning. Pick up.
Don't say. Okay. No shaking. I'll deliver.
Those are my brother.
You go be now. I wish you guys luck now.
Just go small. Forget yourself.
Give me. Give me. If we
Yes, Papa. Let me.
Are you mad?
Papa, with this now, you can afford to start a business for us.
A new business for you?
Hey, can I start for a business?
Thank you very much. Mbano. You see this money? I'm going to keep it like this. Beckham. Because I die, Mama. Because of why? Who knows what can happen tomorrow?
Papa, nothing will happen. No shake it. See that money? Just keep it. Nothing will happen to it.
You see a go Uyibo money. Small, very small, but different colors. See.
Yes, Papa. It's fine. We just you can lock the Igwe in the police cell.
Igwe?
Yes. Yes, Papa. And when Nandi returns, he will bring more. And that, you know what that means? You can buy the entire village, including the Igwe.
Okay, thank you very much. You can go inside.
All right, Papa.
All right.
Take care.
I don't know.
Papa, let me just...
No, you go. I will kill myself and kill you now. They think they are wiser than me. I am more intelligent than two of you idiots.
He's a madman. Don't you know? I think the fake money.
Ego yibo, ego yiba makanu le. Ego yiba makanu le o.
You see how my plan works? We are not rich, my dreamers come true. My plan finally works. You know my happiness? We can now press Kenny and organize the biggest party in this villa. What did you say? Did you say bash? Party? Didn't you hear the one Kenny organized? No, man. Because of that party, Amaka doesn't talk to me any longer. What's your problem, AK? Are you crazy? Is that your future you should be thinking of? We should leave this village with the money, go to the city, and establish something big. Something like what? Why will you tell Papa that you're going to? Forget that one, let's go to the city first. We'll tell Papa that we'll find a job over there. Are you a kid? Come on, we're grown-ups. Shut up. The only reason that will make me follow you to the city is just to go there and buy myself some new designer clothes, that's all. No problem, let's go to the city first. You see the money to buy your clothes, designers, anything you want, just let's go. You know, but this money is too much. When I arrange our work, I'm a baby son, man, baby couple, man. You know, we should so you just money and put it to business now. Why is this boss so stingy? Why is he so stingy? When I bring one at least one pay, let me arrange so that you arrange too. He will be doing like that. Hello. Welcome. Thanks. What's your name?
My name?
Yes. Yeah.
Is that you receive customers here?
No, it's just that you're exceptional. I mean, since you opened this place, no girl as pretty as you has ever walked in here. You understand what I mean?
Really?
Yes.
There's always a first time, you know.
Of course, and such opportunities I don't waste them. I grab them the moment I see them.
Meaning?
Meaning that I'll let you know, take you out, and spoil you a little.
Really?
Of course.
You're not even afraid of what your guy will say or do to you.
Look at the lines. Don't look at me, Nika X. I mean, which other Oga do you expect to see? I'm the Oga of this place now, man. Check out. In fact, see. I just my husband just rushed to the back now to put in some money. So sit down, relax yourself, and just give me a number so that we can talk and talk.
My number?
Yes.
Maybe we'll start from you giving me yours first.
Okay.
You said you're the Oga of this place, yet you don't have a common phone. Just see how you're dressed. Look at you. So tell me, how can you afford?
Look, let me tell you, those things don't matter. I mean, what matters is the main issue. You know what I mean by the main issue? So, I mean...
Whoa. See you some other time, okay? When you must have improved. Bye.
But... Imagine, Nika S. You just lost this game. Just take up and not dressed well. Imagine. Maybe I need a shoe. Need a wristwatch. I said, nigga, that's like. Come. I need some money.
Okay, but I gave you 500 naira this month.
Shut up. What is 500 naira? I said I need real money.
Man, the situation is very critical. I need cash. Okay, do you have appendix or hospital?
I don't have any.
Okay, you know we just bought this shop. And we still need more money to grow our business.
Come, I know, but we've paid the owner, we paid him cash. And the owner has traveled to America.
Okay, well,
and we've made enough money, so I need money. I mean, I need real money.
Okay, it's alright. What do you need the money for?
Must I always tell you before you release money to me? What kind of question is that? Are you mad?
Okay, things are not like that. Money does not grow on trees. You say, we still need money to develop our business. You understand? Now we're not supposed to be wasting money like that.
Come, enough of that. Enough of this, your lectures. Come, are you my teacher, sir? I said I need money and I need it now.
Okay,
now.
Okay, just look at our shop. Others are importing containers, expanding their business from 1 shop to 5 shops. All you want is spending money, okay? Just relax. There will be time for all this. Time, parties.
Does it? I need this money now.
Okay,
I need it now.
You need the money. The money is in the bank. That's the warehouse he wants to show me.
Yeah. Okay, no problem now. Maybe we'll see ourselves at home. By then I must have come back and you too.
No problem.
Alright. Check whether the deposit slip is there. Let me.
Is there? Okay.
Let me.
How are you, my boy?
Thank you, sir.
Have you heard from your friends, Dozie and Eke?
No, Nai. I was even planning to come and see you later today and ask you about them.
Oh, to tell you the truth, I don't know where they are and what they are doing. Hey,
Yeah, Nai. The last time I heard from Eke, he was saying something about entering the campus then.
Campus?
Yes.
To do what?
As a student, of course.
Before they left, they told me it was a small job, very little job, that won't take long. Now it's months. Eh? Never.
Well, I'll be going to the city soon. So as soon as I return, I'll be able to give you the information about their welfare.
That's very good, my son. Very good of you. You see, that was how friendship between your father and I started. Not all this why you ones play now. Where are you going now?
I'm going to Mark Zoko's house, but I will take this way, sir.
Oh, this is shorter.
Yes, sir.
I want to get to Mpetime's house.
Okay.
Okay, my boy.
Bye-bye, sir.
Okay, my boy.
See you there.
Oh.
Where did you get the money to buy all this? What kind of question is that? You see any of your money missing? Okay, where is the teller? Which teller? The money I gave you to pay it to the bank. Where is the teller? Look, you should stop asking me questions as if you're my father. You're only my twin brother, so you have to take it easy. Okay, do you have anything upstairs? Have you lost your mind? How can you be spending money while you know our business is still growing? Do you know how hard I work? Look at this boy. Are you mad? Am I not a part owner of this money? After all, I was the one that collected the money. I'm supposed to be in charge of the money, so you have to show me some respect. That's rubbish. Which respect? The only respect I'm going to give you is that you're not going to handle money from this business again. I won't do what? Look, enough is enough. Have you heard me? Enough is enough. Does it? In fact, you split the money and give my own share. I should do what? I said, split the money into two, give me my own share. Whatever business I want to do with it has nothing to do with you. Have you heard me? That's rubbish. Okay. You said you go back to the village. Go back to the village, yes. Me? Go back to the village. He said, I'll burn you alive. Does it? Don't try me, oh. Don't try me. See, I'll skin you alive if you try that rubbish again. You do what? You burn me alive. Of course. Does it? If I try, who did you put? Come on, just come and step. Take a step out of this house and see what will happen to you. I should step out of this door. Get out. I should get out. Yes, I think you are drunk.
Both of you are brothers, and there's no level of grievances that cannot be settled between you two. After all, blood is thicker than water, and you both should be acting as one.
I don't want. Yes, because he has always used that to write, confuse and intimidate me. Look at this fool. Look at this idiot I'm trying to help in life. What do you know? Oh, okay, thank God. You that know everything. Yes, split the money into two, give me my own half, and take yours.
No, okay, that's not the best thing to do.
That's the best thing to do. I accept. Felice, allow him to do his mind.
Come on, Dozie, come on. We can settle this.
I don't want to settle anymore. Look, I know how much you have in the bank. You have 2.4 million. I'm going to take half of it, which is 1.2, and the house. Let him take the other remaining half and the shop. That's all. So where will I be sleeping? I don't want to know where you want to sleep. If you want, you can sleep in the shop. What I know is that you must split everything. Take yours, let me take mine.
Look, we can resolve this. And you both should try and understand.
I don't want to understand anymore. I accept it. I'll walk out of this house. Fine.
Okay.
I don't care. No, just leave me here.
It's not fair.
No, he takes the house, the shop, take the money and go. Let's go. Whatever
Dozie, don't do that.
No.
Don't do that, Dozie.
Felice, I don't want him to make mistake on his signature. That's a check. What? Why won't it will be cash on Monday? Go. Any attempt for this check not to be cash on Monday.
Eke!
Steve-O!
Eke!
This is Eke.
Eke, what is happening?
Oh, no, I'm happening. That's me alone. I'm happening. You should know now, this is small.
Wait.
The ministry is coming.
Wait, Eke. This is too much. For how many months? Hey! Oh, Mama, Eke, do you know that your father has been worried?
Worried for what? The only worry you have is how to spend my money.
Eke, are you serious?
Why would I be serious? This is my car. The Eke of yesterday is not the Eke of today. Good things have come.
Eke, you know you're my friend, though.
Good things
you know you're my friend, though. Hey! Eke for someone!
Stop it, sir, man. Let's go. I threw my father and
Eke for someone!
Hey! AK-47. Hey! You're my friend. I said it. In fact, you are the nigga S. AK-47.
Nigga S. YZ.
Hey! Nigga.
Yeah. Mom. You are the one doing all this thing.
Okay.
Of course, Baba. Baba, this is one of the cars they gave to me. The white men I do business with. You know, they give me this one. In fact, this is not even the rare car.
No, Machelo. You mean you have another car bigger than this one?
Yeah, they gave me this one after I bought my red car cheap from them.
Ambulance and
In fact, by the time I do 1 year business with them, just 1 year with the white men, I will buy the entire village, including the people therein.
Hey!
I said it before. Once I do my eye like this, I see far. I said it before, you are 10 million times better than Nambo. Hey, you are the small lion I put in care of God. Hey!
Hey!
Happy, let me spoil you later.
He spent 24 months in stomach and I was managed for my friend. They will understand.
You guys get You see, I'll forgive you of your ignorance.
Yes.
Because you're still here in the village. Otherwise, you should have known that this is my car.
Bam.
Your car? Wait. As in your own car?
Whichever way you want to pronounce it. Baby, this is my own. You see, let me tell you, I'm going to throw the biggest party you've ever witnessed. Yes.
Just go and feed the car. Just go and touch it. Ami, Amaka.
This car is really fun.
You've not seen nothing yet. See, let me tell you, to say the least, we are going to rock this village.
Rock, I can't wait to rock.
Excuse me. What did you say?
Rock the village.
Rock the village?
Yeah.
You are who? You know who I am? Nigga X. I'm going to throw the biggest party in the city.
Yes.
Yes, city. Look at me. Do I look like a local champion?
Nigga S. Why? Nigga.
Sure, you're really funny. Look at you. Is it that he's talking like this as if?
I mean, let me tell you, I am still sleeping.
Yes.
Just wait till I wake up. Yes. Then you will see the stuff I have made. In fact, driver.
You used to call him Onwa.
So you don't have a driver?
Ha! Our driver.
Get me some money from the pigeon hole.
Yes.
Yes. This is a case speaking. Nigga X.
Yes.
Shout out to
Our
God.
driver.
God, I can't wait to cruise this car. I can't wait. God.
Chairman.
Hey, Owa, give that to her.
For me?
No, take this. You have been so well.
Oh, sweetheart.
Oh, that's it. You know what? I will still have this in abundance.
I mean,
let me just go and call.
Something is missing. Oh, that's nice. That's what I like.
Let me go and come.
Do you know I really missed?
You say that again.
Okay, all right.
When I come back, I'll show you the stuff I made.
Oh, I can't wait.
How's my Susan?
You have to.
How's my Susan?
She's fine. I'm going to let her know you guys came.
Oh, please do, eh? Take care of yourself, oh.
Okay, bye.
And greet my Susan from you. Oh, no problem.
I mean, no one. I just want to play him.
Okay.
As my boy.
I'm waiting for you guys.
Okay.
Bye.
All right.
Love you.
Sister, where are you?
I thought you were supposed to be in Jenny's place right now. What happened? What happened?
There's this new guy.
Amaka, new what? Who is the guy? Tell me, just tell me.
AK, of course.
Amaka, AK of all people. Is that a joke or what?
Does it look like I'm joking? Just wait.
I'm waiting. Amaka, you've not shaved. AK.
Wait. Cool 10,000 naira.
Let me see.
Don't touch my money.
For what now? Amaka, just come and just go on.
Papa, don't worry. You see the window? Oh, these windows are dilapidated. Papa, I'm going to buy, what do you call it? Alumako.
Oh, will you do this once?
Yes.
18 years old?
Yes, Papa.
Hey, don't forget the zinc.
Aha.
It's leaking. You know, don't do me. You can know. Whoa.
Papa, don't worry yourself. I will buy, what you call tinted, heated, you know heated aluminum.
Yes, ma'am.
Large one, that's what I will use.
My son, actually, I appreciate all you are doing. Now I start to regret. I wish you were the one who traveled to Bodo Yibo instead of that in Namde.
Papa, if I were him, by now I would have come back home and built 2 big mansions.
Eh?
Yes, for you.
Hey, that reminds me, by the way, what of this your useless brother, Dozie? In fact, I'm afraid of that boy.
Papa, what have I not done to make that boy responsible? But he chose to be a criminal.
Look, it's not like I'm trying to cause my own son. No. Dozie may end up being an armed robber and then I baby.
That boy. Papa, do you know that I opened 2 shops for him, but he ran them down?
Yes.
Not only that, I gave him money on 3 occasions, 3 consecutive times. Ask me what he did.
Tell do you have any sense? From now on, don't give him chicken, not even a kobo. Chicken.
What would I do? He's my brother.
A bad brother is not a good brother. Can I say that as well?
Papa. Don't worry. Papa, I will take you to the city so that you go and see the house I live in.
Old bones are tired. You see, there's no point. You coming home to see your father here is enough for me. We gotta go. Bialele na chemewo mumale. Yo bialele chemewo mumale. Ndi kwele kwe bialele na chemewo mumale. Umu chineke le chemewo mumale.
Papa, the face. I will increase the height.
It will come to the yard now?
No, it will not. It will not. For security reasons, you know. I cannot provide.
The point is that what I see here, I'm afraid it might not be enough for what I want.
Don't worry, I'll go around the market and get more for you.
No. You don't need to do that. Yeah? Instead, let me go to Port Harcourt and source it myself.
No, you don't understand. For the fact that I'm in the market makes it easier for you to get original products. They will give you fake one. Please, allow me to do it.
Okay. Let me take your word for it. All right? I will issue you a check of 1.2 million naira for the first consignment. If the product is right, then I will increase it.
Okay, fine. I will surprise you, you will see.
You know what? You follow me to the car now. I will give you the check.
Okay.
Thank you.
Please now, wake up now. You have to settle them.
Still give them money now.
Are you stupid? I don't worry, father.
Settle them out after I've been spending.
Hey, what now do now? What is all this?
You have to do something. These guys are rough. Do something.
Let's go before it is 12. I've run out of cash. I don't have any money.
Then go to the bank now.
What do you mean I should go to the bank? Are you what? Are you out of your mind? Did you keep any money in the bank for me? Every time bring money, bring money. Why not sell out your blably and make small money and spend it on me? What do you just?
Okay, but you told me you have a lot of money in the bank now.
Let me tell you, for sure, I don't have any money again. I've run out of cash. The only 100,000 naira I had, which I borrowed in exchange, my car is gone. To be frank.
Well, forget about the car. After all, your brother Namdi sent up more than 6 exotic cars.
My brother did what? Are you mad? Carl, who told you that my brother? Where did you get information?
I don't know, but my brother Gilbert told me 2 days back when he got back.
Hey! Steve!
I'm saying...
So your brother Gilbert is around and you feel to tell me, what's your man on Joe? Yeah, I was so. Sandra! Nah, you're not a good friend. Excuse me. Did you say Gilbert told you that Nam sent 6 exotic cars?
As I'm talking to you right now, Gilbert is in my house with my father. I'm like, what's your name?
No, I'll just follow you. I'll go to the villa. I need to tell my father.
Okay, just stay there. What did you say the time is now? Let's say it's up to 12.
Wait a minute. Are you telling me that my own son, Nnamdi, sent in 6 cars? 6?
Yes, he did. I thought you were aware of it.
How can I be aware of it? Is there any telephone in this village? Help! Hey!
But your son Dozier, as he told him over the phone, that you are aware of his clearing the cars.
I am not aware of anything.
I know it. He is behind all those things. He is. He must be. He is behind them.
Look at the way. He's going to vomit everything. I say he vomit every single car out of those 6.
Baba, I think the best thing for us to do is to go and block him. We should go and block him in the city, yes, before all those cars develop wings with him and fly away.
But Chelo, let's think.
That's just the best thing.
A crook is a crook. Look, I'm confused. What do we do?
Papa, you don't need to be confused. Just like I said, it's a good idea. We'll block him in the city, then we'll know about the cars.
Exactly.
Please, scan these pictures. 200 naira per one. Do you accept? No problem. This particular email address. I send it.
This is very dark.
Let me put on
Try.
Sit down. Hey, Papa, you're welcome to my house.
Is this where you live?
Yes.
I thought your house would be one of those big houses in the city.
Papa, we do things like this for security reasons. Yes, because if you're living in the city, Papa, you don't have to show off your wealth. Because there are so many armed robbers and assassins. And any little thing, your enemies may just set you up and they will kill you. Yes. So, I have money to rent a mansion outside, somewhere else, and they start living large. I have money to rent a big mansion, but I don't want it.
I'm not very happy. So this way you live, this face me and face yours. That's another person thought that. And you came to the way with a big car. I say you have a bigger one than that one.
Yes, Papa. That's what I'm talking about. What do you mean by face me and face you? This is self-contained. This thing you're seeing here is just my toilet.
Where's the latrine?
Papa, that's it. You want to go to toilet? I'll help you. Good.
Okay. How do we see Dozie?
Okay. Dozie.
Your brother, Dozie.
I know, I'm aware. Papa, it's like Dozie lives. In fact, he sleeps in his shop. I'm sure of that. Don't worry, we'll ask people around. We'll trace his house.
The earlier the better. Because if he knows that you're around, he will just bolt away. Say yes, sir.
I think we better leave now. But before that, Papa, you know the shark.
What is that?
Won't you drink?
Shark.
This is my Papa. Cool down. I want to arrange. You want some? Are you?
Get me water. What I do?
Okay.
This should be the exact place.
I don't think so, Papa. Lucy cannot be living in this kind of place. Unless he's the houseboy there. I mean...
It must be here because they say by where they mark. It's here. Are you sure you got the real address?
I always made a mistake while calling my house like this. I wrote it myself, so...
You might stick.
But no, this is city. Take it easy. Don't knock that.
Hello? Who are you looking for?
I don't know. But we are looking for one small boy, Dozie by name. I don't know.
Look, the same height with him, but he has pretty hair.
My Oga? Mr. Dozie, you are calling small boy. I don't know if you people are having confusional conflict.
Dozie, your own Oga?
Okay. Just call us the Dozie, the one that lives here. I don't know.
Come out.
Just, it's a mistake. Just go and call the one.
Tell him to come out here.
Tell him to come out.
You mean I should go and call my Oga?
To come out here.
Come out and see you.
Bam.
My Oga cannot come out and see you people here. You will go and see him. But if he asks me to throw you people out, I will personally throw you out. I will personally throw you people out.
You have not said?
I will kill this boy. It's because of you.
Who? No.
It's because of you.
Don't kill him here. Don't kill him. No money for hospital.
I will kill him.
He will just break it.
Are you mad?
It's because of you.
Tell him you don't kill him yet, idiot. Are you mad?
Who are you? You can be up or whatever.
You know what to do? Okay. We are going to this compound now.
I think that's just...
To go and find out whether the Dozie here is our own Dozie. Never.
What happened in Loco Jow? What happened in Loco Jow? Happened here. What can let me say?
Come on, let's go see you. Useless paper.
Wait.
How did you locate this place? So, you don't expect us to find you, right? Were you supposed to look for me when you parted ways with me? Look at it. You forgot that I'm involved. Huh? What would I look for you?
Good question and good statement. Oh, you didn't expect us to look for you and find you when the cars sent to you by my son, your senior brother, are all with you.
Come, that reminds me. Where are the cars? I've sold them all.
Eh?
I have sold them all.
You did what?
I've sold them all.
Oh, my own son sent cars to me. And you didn't even allow me to see them.
Why should I? Haven't you seen a car before? But please don't come to my house and insult me. Don't curse me here.
I see. Is that so? All right. I too am not even happy being here. So please return the cars to us and we will leave you.
I don't even know how you guys get to know about the cars and this place. Anyway, I've sold them all.
Okay, where are the proceeds?
I have used all the money in building and this house. You're a liar. You're a liar. You're a liar. You're a liar. Okay. You want to tell me now that you use all the proceeds from the car to build a house, common house? I will not tolerate such interrogation from you again, AK. I have used all the money on doing what Nan asked me to do. Shut up! Now get out of my house. Papa, both of you should leave my house now.
You dare ask us to leave your house?
Yes, Papa, I have had enough. Leave my house, please. It's okay. No problem. That's no problem. Papa, this is just the beginning. You, Rosie.
Don't think it's all over. It's not all over until it's over. I will soon show you that Nnamdi is my own son, not your son.
He's my brother.
I'm the one who started to tell that one.
Papa, just leave my house. Thank you. Shut up, baby. Of course you know why I'm here. Oh shit. You sheriff what? My friend, don't play me a fool. You know I didn't like that you're using that this money to build a house. I know you're with the money. And so, yes, I'm here to play my own shit. So to me as a partner. I can see that you're mine. We divided and separated. So go and enjoy yourself while I make sure with mine. You don't care? Look at this boy. Come my friend, have to be sensible. Don't be a fool. After all, we all shared the dollars together. Didn't we? So I'm here to share the person from the car. I can take yourself out of this place before I change my mind. Look at this idiot. Do I look like one of these stars you have got here? Huh? It's a long time for fools like you. Are you hearing me? Come on, come here. Hey, throw this guy out of this room. Take him out. Throw him out. You telling me I control my what? Are you mad?
Yeah? You mean that Dozie brought thugs to beat you up and then sent out of his house?
Papa, I said about 20 of them with weapons.
I knew it. Right from the day that boy was born, I knew it. You see now? His brother's money is spending, that's Nnamdi. You see Nnamdi's cars he's enjoying. You all right?
Papa, Dozie must vomit all of them all.
Who is waiting for you to vomit it? The money he's spending is not his own. He's in Nnamdi's money. We are going to Tabelongis. I'm going to stay there.
That is true. I should have thought of it. Papa, let's get our things.
Yes, it's either he gives us the money and we leave, or he leaves the house for us.
Better.
I'm going to say,
what's next?
Let's go. Okay, what type of nonsense is this?
Go! What's going on? What is it?
I was trying to stop them. But they forced themselves into this place.
You, today, Nemesis has caught up with you. You gotta go. From this very minute, yourself, myself, and Iki will stay in this house together.
Which house?
This house.
Which house? Impossible. You people are mad. Shut up, idiot. Come. You will soon know. What are the rules?
Good evening, sir. Steve, how's your father?
Fine, thank you, sir.
Okay.
Just that he went to the city with my elder brother, Gribat, to check the land he wants to buy there.
So your elder brother is back from overseas again?
Yes, sir. This is the letter he brought from Namdi.
Okay. We go money, always flat. Just letter. Read it for me. Hey, my friend. Huh? Read the letter. You are turning it upside down.
No.
Okay, what's there now?
This is not the self.
What is inside the letter? This is
I for this now.
John. My dear father, my eyes are bad. Read for me. How can you like English? You can't. The papa in the village. That's all.
Okay, now they said that you'll be coming back on the 18th.
Oh.
Which paragraph?
What about paragraph? What's paragraph there? Oh, then look at. He says that's 2 weeks time, eh? Look at that.
You turn it upside down.
I mean, just like this. Just 18. You can't. Nonsense. Thank you, my son.
Okay, now I should be on my way.
Okay, my dear.
Okay.
You can't read English.
No, he said nigga. I need to make arrange myself.
Make what? Get it back over there. Arrange yourself. English you can't read. Come and drink.
I hope you people are ready to go to the airport.
I just decided now that you can go with Eke, while I stay behind and prepare things for his grand reception.
It's okay, Nai. Okay, come on, let's go. You know we have to pick up his jeep.
Which jeep?
Jeep.
There is no jeep.
Look, Nandi sent in a jeep, and he told Dozier to keep the dark-colored jeep for his personal use. So we have to pick it up.
Well, thank God I'm just coming back, because I know Dozier must vomit it. There's no jeep, I know that.
When you get there, then these things will be settled.
Let's go first.
Wherever he must have kept it, I don't know. I know this house. There's no jeep.
This door?
Are you stupid?
My friend, open that gate. You have a very serious issue to discuss with him.
Hold it. I am following my Oga's instruction.
Are you not foolish?
Huh? Daddy, now you're waiting for him. What? Yes, can I help you?
Dozier. Didn't this gate man of yours inform you that we've been waiting?
He told me, but I was busy inside. Perhaps he didn't mention your name. Stop that, your flimsy excuse. Just hand over Nadi's jeep to us and let us leave here. What? Nadi's jeep?
Yes, Nandi's jeep. The one he sent. Dozier, for your information, Nandi is coming this afternoon.
Hey!
And we need to pick him up with that jeep.
Who's coming this afternoon?
Nandi.
Why? Who's he coming to this? What kind of question is that? What kind of nonsense question is that? I said do that and let's leave here.
So where is the jeep?
You see, the jeep is not here now. I have to inform the man I parked it in his garage. He's not aware. I'll let him know.
What do we do now?
See, you have to produce that jeep. He has to before we come back. No, just go. I'll meet you at the airport. See, let me tell you, you have to produce that jeep.
Eke. Why didn't Papa come with you?
You know Papa now. He prefers to do his own wake-up party at the village.
It's okay. So what about Dozier? What happened?
Dozier, he was supposed to come with us, but we've not seen him.
With the jeep.
Did you see the jeep?
Yes. I know he will not come. Maybe he will drive straight to his house. Go and check him.
No, don't worry. We are headed straight to his place. Man, it's a nice thing to have you
After you
home.
left, a whole lot went on, man. A whole lot, man. You really need to see what was going on.
Man, I'm so happy for you. You're finally back.
Finally, I'm back.
For good.
For real, man.
Wow, good to be home.
Nothing better than coming home.
I tell you.
I want to open the door.
What do you mean you can't open this gate? Do you know who is with us here? Your girl's other brother.
The kids are not with me. My Oga said nobody should enter until he returns.
Shut up there, idiot! When is he returning?
I don't know. He didn't tell me.
It's okay. There's no point getting into an argument, okay? I can actually check into a hotel. Then tomorrow morning we'll come see him.
Namdi, how do you mean checking into a hotel? When your brother has a fine house.
As you can see right now, I'm tired from the flight. You know, jet lag. All I just need now is just to relax. That's all.
Okay, if you insist. Not to worry, I'll check into a good hotel.
Is that good?
But all the same, let's just go and do that something, okay?
Did you tell my people that I was in jail in Europe?
Oh, no, not at all. Nobody knew about that.
It's been hard. Very, very rough. Life has not been easy with me.
At least you're home now. But what I'll tell you is, just put the past behind you.
I'm not stepping my foot into Europe again. That's why I sent everything home. The money, the cars.
Good decision. Good decision. Our home is not that bad if you relax on the idea.
I was glad when my younger brother sent me those photos through internet. The photos of my house, you know, the house he built with the money and cars I sent.
Yeah, you know what I'll tell you? Your brother Dozier did something smart for you there.
Very smart.
At least you have a point where you start life all afresh again.
I am going to enjoy the fruit of my labor tomorrow when I step into that house.
Well, it's all good. It's all good. But I still have one thing to do. I have to get down to reception and book another room for your younger brother, Eke. Okay?
It's okay.
So I'll go.
The problem's man. Thanks for being a brother, man.
Welcome. Anytime.
Is that good?
No problem.
You come back, right?
Sure. Why not? So when I get back, we'll dig those things out just like we do with that bed.
It's all good, man. Man, look at you. Man, what happened yesterday? When I came here, nobody was here to open gate for me.
I get my refused to open the gate for you?
Yeah?
Oh man, I'm sorry. That guy just lost his job now. Shut up. Before you do that, just take us to where you park is cheap and show us the house.
Oh, yes,
yes. No, I can see you're hungry. Let's just go for one cool place and just take something.
Listen, I really want to see the house and the gate and the jeep first. Now, so that I can move in, I put things together. This is your house, right?
Okay, just enter the car, let's go.
Shut up, I will follow you.
Okay, just enter there.
Okay, alright.
Okay, enter front. Enter front.
I'll be here so that I'll monitor you. Namdi, let me follow him. Come on.
Where's the place, Jose?
Yeah, this is the place.
Huh?
Yes.
This one? You mean this is the house?
Yes.
This is beautiful.
Yes.
I'm not waiting. This house looks like as if someone is already living in it.
Yes. You see, I thought you would return back in 5 years. So, instead of the house will be wasting, I rented it out.
To see why? Why must you do that? Listen, you have to find a way and refund them back their money. I mean, I just want to move into the place immediately.
Yes, you see, it's true, but it will take 5 years.
5 years? Just 5 years is too long. You have to refund them back their money. I want to move into this house immediately, Dozie.
Excuse me. Okay. What about the jeep?
Shut up, are you the owner of the jeep?
No.
What's the problem?
Will you shut up? Will you shut up?
Why is you asking me about the jeep while you're here?
Have you lost your senses?
Dozie,
What would I ask?
if not for any other thing, know it too well that my car is too small to take us and the luggages down to the village.
Fine! I can volunteer my own car.
No, don't even talk about that. What do you mean by that? I have to cruise into the village with my jeep. I mean, it's pride and respect.
That's the problem. Now, the place I parked the jeep, the malam traveled.
Even if he traveled, did he travel with the keys?
That's the funny thing with all this malams, all this hapoki. The guy just traveled with the key.
How long is it going to take him?
In 4 months' time.
For what?
That's a long story. I mean, there are stories everywhere. So you can manufacture one from any angle, any source, any place like that.
Listen, Dozie, I can no longer tolerate this, okay? You just have to look for a way and provide this guy with the key so that he can open that place and I'll bring out my jeep. Or otherwise, I'll personally break that place and pull out my jeep from the garage.
Namdi, I think that's exactly what we'll have to do. Because I see no reason why he should travel with the key.
I don't know. That's the funny thing about all this malams, all this hapoki. They just travel.
See, Namdi, I'm out of this service. This is bullshit.
So, whichever way, man, let's go to the village. I want to go and see our papa, you know. Are you coming with us?
No, that's the best thing to do. You travel to the village. Why? I'll wait for the malam to bring the key. I'll join you later at the village.
Are you going to wait for the malam for 4 months?
Just go to the village first. I'll join you later. I'll wait for the malam. Are you coming with us?
Let's go. I appreciate it. I thank you very much for the house. I love it. It's so beautiful.
No problem. If you give me money, I can do more than this.
It's okay.
Many more.
You have taste for good things.
Yes, I know.
All right?
Yeah,
it's okay. It's okay. All right, then.
So, are you coming to the village with a jeep?
I will join you later in the village. I'll work for the malam here.
No, it's very important.
You see, just go to the village and greet Papa for me. I'll join later. Tell him I'm waiting for the malam.
When you come, you greet Papa yourself.
So, what about the alloy tree?
Everything is intact. Yes, if you see the jeep now, very perfect.
They're trying to destroy each other, all because of riches and wealth. They always protect their interest because of the quest.
Togaria. Togaria. Sema. Agene mano. Agene mano. No.
We have something in the book. Open the book. Very good.
Yeah, easy. More money, eh? More money inside there. Don't tell me. They can't fire me. Yeah. I'm coming there. Let's go. Are you telling me that your brother Dupe refused to show you your jeep and didn't even allow you to enter his house? No, I want to hear well.
Papa, there is nothing serious. When I am ready, he will.
He won't. He won't. Are you sure that jeep is still available? Even that house, Papa, that house. Brother, that house is not yours. So the house he showed us is not yours.
Wait. Now, my son, your brother Dupe has changed. Do you know that Dupe brought talks to beat up your father?
He did what?
Fatty mediated. Look at my neck.
Does he did what?
If you see what happened, nobody ain't dead now. If not that I was around, I was just running around everywhere. I was just running around, going to hospitals, going to better medicine store, everywhere. Ask Papa now. Papa, you know now.
Although it was my money you were spending anyway. But now, do you know that Dupe dropped a standing instruction that I, his father, Onyemolia, should be killed anytime I get in his house? What did I do to Dupe?
Dupe did all this? Yet he's with my money and my cars? That's criminal.
I've told you before. I'm still telling you now. Stop entrusting your property with him, even your money. Bring them to me. They'll be safe. Chelo, let me surprise you. Even the money sent to me is still intact.
You haven't spent it? At least I have somewhere I can start from.
Yes.
He didn't even know. Look at it. Still intact.
What is this?
The money is sent to
This is rubbish now, Papa. This is not money. Papa, what I sent to you was US dollars.
This is US dollars. That form of money is US dollars.
This is not US dollars.
Excuse me.
Is this the money?
Is it the money Dupe went with me to Mr. Gilbert's house? The one you gave to us to give to you, Papa?
I know.
Papa, you want to tell me Dupe gave this money to you as dollars?
Of course, also, you have two of them.
Okay.
You were with him.
Papa,
two of you. I don't say Papa, two of you.
But he went there now. The money was given to him. I was behind him.
This one they gave to me.
Papa,
this is what they gave to
this
you.
This is no money. Take it. Go and get your bed. You are going to see Dupe tomorrow morning, and you had better be prepared. Papa, I am going to deal with Dupe.
Yes.
I swear to God, I will deal with Dupe. This is no money.
I'll take it to his house. I'll show you where he lives.
Okay.
Okay.
Get to his house first and find out this arrangement. Kama take this around. But this is what they give to me.
Hey! Dupe gave you this as money.
But I warned you that day.
I swear to
that
God.
you should go
to say it's a
alone and let him stay behind. Say no, let him follow you.
No, as my brother, did I do anything bad? He's my brother-in-law.
Yes, how are you? How you doing? I'm the landlord of this place.
The landlord of this place?
Yes.
Are you sure you're in the right place?
Are you crazy? I said I'm the landlord of this house, still asking me a question. Go and call your guy, my friend.
Okay, let me come out.
That's the best answer. Go and call your guy. Now don't buy all this 18 all right. This is your job now.
I like this house, I'm telling you.
Hello, gentlemen.
Oh. Good afternoon, my man. How are you? I'm fine. How are you doing?
Yeah, can I help you?
Oh, yes, I'm the landlord of this place. I believe you know me. The young man that rented this place to you, Dozier.
I rented this place? Are you drunk or something?
Excuse me. Are you not our tenant that lives in this house?
Exactly. Listen, we've been here before, okay? I came here with Dozier, my younger brother, the man that rented this place to you. I believe you know him.
Look, gentlemen, I don't know the sort of rubbish people are talking about. I don't know any Dozier. I built this place.
You what?
I built it for the foundation. I own it.
Okay, this is the same house Dozier brought us to now.
This is the place now.
This is gentlemen, please. This is the same house. Please,
can you take your leave now? Or I call the police.
No.
Go!
Excuse. No. Let's go.
Leave and don't put your face around this area again.
Tenant, don't talk too much.
Go!
Watch out.
Hey! Face around this area again.
You're telling me that you're the owner of this house? This is how you wanna. Take it.
This is how you are going about stupid people. Idiots. Stupid.
Who be that? You want to eat that this gate? Who be that? You want to eat that this gate?
Open this door.
I said who you be? Open this door. Can you get this one?
Open this door. Where's the master? Where's the master?
This boy must be very stupid.
Dozier! Where's that Dozier? Open that door! Open it! Dozier! Hey! Dozier!
Let it go.
My money, my sweat, no way. Let him come back. I'm going to wait for him there. Hard.
No, we must wait.
We must wait for him today.
Of course.
We are going to wait here until he comes back. Policemen. Maybe they're here for him.
Who knows? Let him in.
Hello.
Yes, officer.
Acting like Mr. Dozier. Is he in?
Oh, thank God. The same criminal I've been waiting for here. The same drug that collected my money, my cars. The same thing.
Thank God officers, you are here.
Oh. Does it? I want you all to know that I have nothing to do with it anymore. I disown him and it's my #1 enemy.
See, I've told you time without number to calm down, okay? Let's just go home. We'll still have time to sort this out.
What kind of time? Time to get myself more insulted? Just take a good look at me. After all my sojourn in Europe, I have to come back and face this in my own family?
Nams, Gilbert, look, I just need people's permission. Let me go and kill this boy.
What?
Let me kill him personally. Look, because I wouldn't want any situation where after killing him.
Okay, feelings or no feelings, Dozier must go down.
Fine. But can we just go home?
Get out of this place. Move. Get out. Where's the sir? Where's the sir, my friend? Huh? I said, where's the master? Where did you go to?
I don't know, sir.
Oh, you don't know?
Yes, sir. No, see, 5 minutes ago, he
Oh, he left?
Yes, sir.
Huh? I said, where's your master?
I don't know, sir.
Oh, you don't know? Tell him that I, Nnamdi, his elder brother, was here. Tell him that I was here. I've been looking for him. That he can run and hide, but he can never hide forever. I will surely get him. And when I finally get him, I will tear him into shreds. I will rip him apart. Did you get that? Did you get that? Tell him that.
Grievances will not solve problems. And this problem cannot be solved by killing each other.
Take a good look at my son. Take a good look at my great son from overseas. Do you have any idea how this makes me feel?
Brother, feelings come and feelings go.
This one will not go.
This feeling must go. If only people can listen to me.
Uncle, there is nothing to listen to until Dozier goes 6 feet under. He has shown me that he's smart, and I'm going to show him my
Nnamdi, you cannot achieve anything with violence.
But Uncle, Dozier achieved his own violence. Of course. And he has made it his way. So we are ready.
All my money, my labor in Europe will not go in vain. Never.
Nnamdi, listen to me. Your money and your property, they are all intact. They are with Dozier, and Dozier is your brother.
Not anymore?
Look, by the time we dialogue, we resolve issues. All I want is let us just sit. Yes, and Dozier will be there. Amicably, we will resolve this thing.
Uncle, the only way to resolve this issue is for Dozier to hand me over my money and the cars I sent to him. Do you have an idea what I'm talking about? Do you have an idea how much I sent to Dozier? 150,000 pounds.
Hey, enough to buy it.
I also sent him 6 cars that is worth 19 million naira.
Enough to buy a town. I mean a big town.
Listen, Uncle, Papa, Dozier is no longer my brother. Dozier, I will burn Dozier alive. I swear to God, I will do that.
Don't swear. Swearing is mine.
You see, I promise you, I am going to call for a meeting here in this house. I will. So all I need for you is calm down. Just calm down. I'll arrange a meeting.
Hey! Keep out my sweat.
Where I am annoyed is that if Dozier had... Hey,
You are all welcome to this peace settlement meeting. Thank you. I am happy that we are all of one family. And today, this issue of war and hatred must be settled in Oba's family. Obara, you are the head of our family. Please, let's hear from you.
Well, I've always been a peaceful man. I may have no money, but God blessed me with children. Of all my God-given children, Nnamdi is the eldest. He traveled abroad and has just come back. But to my chagrin, Dozier has refused to respect him. My question is why? I mean, this rat who was born just yesterday.
Someone I watched while he was giving birth to. Someone I carried and looked after.
Point of correction, Nandi. I'm not your baby. You're older than I am, yes? Why you just 5 years?
You're very stupid.
Enough, I said. We are here to make peace and not war. Nnamdi, let's hear you.
Good afternoon, my elders.
Good afternoon.
For many years, I toured Europe. It was hard. Real hard. Gilbert was my witness.
But straight to the point, my friend. I'm not here to know how you survived or how you suffered in Europe. I'm not the one that sent you there.
Is this how you're putting it?
That's how I'm putting it. Am I owing you? What's the problem? Why are you stressing my life, for Christ's sake?
Dozier, you are owing me. 6 cars that I sent to you. 6 cars that is worth 19 million naira. And a total cash sum of 150,000 pounds. Where is my money? Where are the cars I sent to you? The house you claim you built for me?
All those states are rubbish. Mentioning pounds, there's their account. Those things are jargons. Do you have any receipt or evidence to prove it? To back all those long stories you are talking about? Do you have any receipt? Don't sit down there and tell us that you went to Europe for sightseeing. We understand you and run around to contribute money for you. So what did you do before my lawyer? Have you forgotten how we started? I mean, you and I. Shut up there. What do you know? You're still a child. Sit a child.
Okay, please sit down.
One chance.
Sit down, sit for you.
Nigga like me. Idiot. Nonsense. Look at this.
Dozier, I want my money. The cars I sent to you, I want to have them. The house you claim you built for me, I want them back.
None of those things are rubbish. I don't have any of your money. And if you need money, just tell us that you did succeed in Europe. We just contribute and make money for you. We know you are gallivanting in Europe. That's all. I mean, if you want money, just come to me and serve me for 4 years. Then I'll settle you after that.
I should serve you.
That's all.
Dozier, I should serve you. I should come and serve you. I should come and serve you, Dozier. Dozier, I should come and serve you. Dozier, I should serve you. I should serve you, Dozier. I should serve you. I should serve you.
It's embarrassing for me.
Let the police go. Let the police go. Jump into my... Don't let the police go. Don't let them go. Let them go. Don't let people go. Let them know. No, I'm not in your hands. What? Nonsense. Good job.
Gilbert, I've been swallowed again by the sea. The tide have overtaken me again right in my father's house.
Nnamdi, you don't have to talk like that. Okay? Let's just hope Dozier will come back to his senses. And I believe the moment he does that, every of your thing that is in his possession will be returned back to you. Okay?
Let's hope. Let's hope. Is that what my life and future is all about now? Empty hope. After all I've been through in Europe. 4 years. 4 years, go back 4 years in jail. And I have to come back and face this.
Nnamdi, you know, life is all about experience. We'll make our mistakes and we'll learn from them. And what I will tell you that you've learned from yours is to trust nobody. Not even your blood brother.
I've learnt mine. But Dozier will soon learn his.
Wait, learn his? What do you mean by that?
Nobody steps on the tail of a lion and goes scot-free without experiencing the wrath of the lion.
A brother fighting
Will you shut up? What? You are going to watch as your grave is dug. Do you get that? You're going to die a painful death because I'm going to bury you alive.
Oh, please, Nandi. Please forgive me, we are brothers. Nanda, we turn your dream back to you. Please forgive me, we are still brothers.
You can keep it. I don't need the jeep anymore. You get that? You can keep everything. You think you're smart. You think you are very, very smart, ain't it? Huh? I don't need the money and the cars anymore, but you won't have them.
Nandi, forgive me. Remember our father, our dead mother. How united we were before he left the country, please.
Did you remember all that? Did you remember all that when you asked me, Nnamdi, to come and serve you for 4 years? I should come and serve you for 4 years. Did you remember all that when you guided yourself with mobile police and bodyguards? Did you remember that?
I swear, I promise I will return everything back to you. Nanda, I swear, please, forgive me. Who did this to me? We are still brothers, Nnamdi. Please.
Too late. Too late, do you hear me? You don't have the slightest idea of what I do or who I am. You don't know me. Let me tell you now, I kill people in Europe.
Nnamdi!
I bury people. I kill for survive. Do you understand that? Do you get me? I work in a graveyard.
Nnamdi! Oh, please, Nnamdi, please, please.
Bury him. I said bury him now.
Nnamdi!
Please, stop me.
Nnamdi!
You told them this.
Stop that.
No, please, I had to.
Nnamdi!
Nnamdi, he's my brother. My two brother now. Let's just forgive him, man. Please forgive him. Please, Nnamdi, forgive me.
Nnamdi, this is an African society. My children should bury me, not me burying them.
Papa, thank you. Thank you. Sorry.
Nnamdi, if you hear me out, I'll tell you to let him go. Okay? Don't let the evil tide swallow you up. You are still a young man. You will still survive. Please, just let him go.
Papa, what Dozier did to me? Dozier, my blood brother.
Nnamdi, forgive him. I will sell my only remaining land and give you the money. However small the money is, manage it. Let him go. Dozier, you can keep the cars and the money. Keep the house. I'm sure he doesn't need them anymore. You can go. But I'm your father. You are still my son. Whenever you feel like remembering us, we shall always welcome you. Let him go. Go.
Nnamdi, please, forgive him, okay? Just forgive him and let him go.
Forgive me, Nandi, forgive me. I don't know what came over me, please. Nana, I will turn everything back to you, please. The house I live in was built with your money. I sold your car, but the money is still with me. Please forgive me. Let us be brothers again. Let's become family again, please, Nandi. I'm still your brother. I will turn everything to you. We will still survive, Nandi. I'll still make it up to you, please, Nandi. Forgive me everything I did to you. Nandi, please. Everything I did, please forgive me. Oh, Nandi, I will not do it again, please. Please walk up there for me, Nandi. Nandi, please.
She